Hello everyone. I kind of woke up like not too long ago. Oh my god, my morning voice. Today I'm gonna be vlogging myself eating spicy food. Like the entire day, like only spicy food. I sound so croaky, I sound like a grandma. As you can see, I have my favorite spicy sauce. Some crackers. I'm just gonna like... Okay. Oh my, the sauce smells so damn good. Which side should I put it on? Put it on the top. What? This is crazy. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Okay, cheers. Oh my god, it's actually so good. What the heck? I should do this more. Whoa. Oh my god. Like, it's got a tint of sweetness from the cracker, but it's also like spicy. Like, it tastes like chips, basically. They should make chips that taste like this flavor. If anyone does make that flavor ever, like, remember, it was here first. It was here first. Okay. Time for a scoop. So unhealthy. Okay. My bebe. Y'all are wondering what this is. It's this thing. It's called lao gama, and it's literally the most bomb thing you'll ever eat. I'm probably gonna eat a bit more since I didn't have lunch yet, so I'm gonna cook some pasta. I'm adding this spicy seafood soup base, like just to make sure it says spicy here. Wait, where does it say? What? Oh yeah, right here. Spicy. Do you see it? Do you see it? Spicy seafood. Maybe some gochujang too. This shit is actually pretty damn spicy, so it's gonna be fusion. I'm just boiling water. I'm not gonna make a lot because it's already the afternoon and I'm gonna like eat dinner soon. Farfalle. Just to be healthy, I have some cucumbers that I'm gonna like just like munch on. To save plastic, I'm trying to put this back on. I'm like, why is it so... Oh, it worked. Yay! There, now the cucumber has a condom. Yay! Why does this like remind you of Marge Simpson? Like literally the top of her head is like this. And her brother too. It's gonna be like her and her brother. Lol. Okay, she's cooked. Well, I'm gonna put in some of this portobello mushroom sauce first as a base. Oh my god, I need help. Yo, I use a spoon to like, and then it definitely worked. Next, we're gonna put in some gochujang, which I'm almost running out. I think that's enough. The spice is coming along. And lastly, I have this packet of spicy sauce from the ramen that I had earlier, the other day. I'm not gonna put all of it because I'm literally gonna die. So I'll put half-ish. Actually, no, we can do a lot more. A bit more. Okay. So now, we got a tomato, gochujang spicy noguri pasta. That's shaped like Marge Simpson. I'm actually kind of scared. Okay, this is what it looks like right now, and my cucumber to save me actually. Okay, let's see how it tastes. Whoa, it's so hot. Oh. Oh my god, it's not that spicy. I feel like I should have added more of that seafood spicy package. Should I add more? Yo, it's actually so good. What the heck? Korean pasta! If BTS ever had pasta, this is the pasta that they would eat. Like, exact.
Cucumber. Oh, looks so crunchy.
Okay, I'm just gonna get ready now because I'm going out for dinner. Okay, so I have to do makeup, but this is the fit for today. We're going, since the theme is spicy, I'm gonna wear this dress that looks kind of spicy, you know? Although I did put in like a, what is this, tank top inside because it's not like that hot yet. So I don't want to show too much skin. Yeah, I actually really like it. Okay, I'm too lazy to show every step, so I'm just gonna do a transition. My hair is giving like 90s mom. I also did my nails to match the spiciness of the day. I only did one coat because I kind of like the light red color. No, actually just lazy. I also painted my feet. That's because my toenail fell off recently, so I kind of have to like hide it. And this is not blood, it's nail polish. Okay, one last fit check. Okay, I think we're ready to go. Okay, last fit check. This is a full fit. These are my boots. And yeah, we're ready to go. I just smelled someone's garbage. Oh my lord. Hey guys, so I just finished eating dinner. Yeah, everything I ate today was like not very spicy, which is kind of disappointing, but it's like, it's good, you know? It's like a good warm-up. Like, I want to eat something so spicy that I want to like die. Like, I would like just die. Also, Montreal is getting really rowdy because it's summer and I love it. Like, it's like so lit. Like, any instinct of wanting to move is like dismissed the moment it's summer here, because I'm like, holy crap, this is literally my essence. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just kidding, I'm still gonna go home and like eat stuff. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm probably gonna watch I don't know. Okay, I recently watched his vlog, this newest vlog from Justin Han, and it's literally funniest shitting vlog I've ever seen. Y'all should check it out. Yeah, my toe is doing fine, thanks for asking. I'm just gonna go on Netflix. Let's go. Okay, why is this the first thing I see when I open? I literally haven't seen this in like years. Why?
音乐系的花泽类，公管系的西门、美作和道明寺，这四个男生每个人都让人忍不住注目，但是对女孩子都很尊重。
Just kidding. I might watch 20th Century Girl. I'm not sure if it's good or not, but I really like the main actress. The main point is that I'm gonna eat some snacks, and this is spicy, of course, because it's like jalapeno flavored. So yeah, you know what? I'm ready for this. I was ready. I was prepared. And I also had some spicy ketchup chips. Emphasis on the spicy. Oh yeah. Alright, I got both. Alright, we're ready for this. JK guys, I need to edit the vlog now, so I'm probably not gonna watch anything.